PNG Jewelers.
In the ongoing case related to the arrest of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the Delhi excise policy case, the Delhi High Court witnessed a prolonged hearing on Wednesday. Kejriwal's counsel, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, urged Justice Swarnakanta Sharma bench to order his immediate release from the ED custody, arguing that his arrest during election violates constitutional principles. This plea was contested by the ED opposing Kejriwal's bail application. On the other hand, ED, represented by Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, stated that they received a substantial application only on Tuesday and requested 3 weeks to adequately prepare their response. Raju stressed the necessity of sufficient time for a thorough reply, including for interim relief. Following arguments from both sides, the court has reserved its decision. In a separate matter, the Delhi High Court is scheduled to hear a public interest litigation seeking the removal of Arvind Kejriwal from the position of Chief Minister of Delhi on Thursday. The case has been assigned to bench chaired by Acting Chief Justice Manmohan. The Delhi High Court has issued a stern warning against protests within the court premises regarding the alleged leaker scam case involving Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The bench, led by Chief Justice Manmohan, cautioned that serious consequences would follow any demonstrations within Delhi's courts. The legal cell of the Aam Aadmi Party had called for a protest in the district courts on Wednesday. The Chief Justice's bench questioned how protests could be conducted within the court. During the hearing, a lawyer mentioned that the legal cell of the Aam Aadmi Party had complained to the High Court late Tuesday night via email about the planned protests. The court, while cautioning potential demonstrators, stated that there would be severe consequences and Supreme Court orders would be enforced. The court clarified that it couldn't be imposed restriction but emphasized that fundamental rights couldn't be violated. The Supreme Court, in a significant decision on Wednesday, dismissed the Enforcement Directorate's review petition regarding money laundering cases. The court retreated that a case of money laundering cannot be established unless it is linked to criminal conspiracy under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. It upheld its previous ruling in this matter dated November 29, 2023. The ED had filed a review petition against this decision, but the bench comprising Justice A.S. Oka and Justice Pankaj Mittal found no grounds for review and dismissed the petition, stating that there were no flaws in the judgment. The Supreme Court has directed states and union territories to issue ration cards to 8 crore registered migrant workers within 2 months through the e-Shram portal, providing significant relief. The bench, comprising Justice Hema Kohli and Justice Ashanuddin Amanullah, expressed concern over unnecessary delays in issuing ration cards due to the necessity of updating eKYC details for all these workers, emphasizing that the integration of registered migrant workers with the National Food Security Act beneficiary has already been established on the e-Shram portal. The court noted that the lack of ration cards deprived them of availing subsidized food grains. The court stressed that any eKYC process intended by the centre should be completed promptly without hindering the issuance of ration card. The Supreme Court set the next hearing date for July 16th, issuing this significant directive. The Gujarat High Court has strongly reprimanded the Railway and Forest Department over the incident of deaths caused by trains hitting lions, demanding concrete measures to prevent such tragedies. The court warned that if effective steps are not taken, trains passing through these forests might be halted. Chief Justice Agrawal questioned the Railway Department, asking if they were unaware of the incident. He emphasized the urgency of reducing lion fatalities, stating that the current situation is unacceptable. The court highlighted the alarming number of lion deaths in January alone and called for a joint discussion between the Forest and Railway departments to address the issue. In response, the department requested time to provide a response in conjunction with the best standard operating procedures.